This is Kyle Steele, president of SEO Expert and creator of FoodMarketingAcademy.com, the LinkedIn masterclass that allows diners, dives, bars, food trucks, any food business to connect with their customers on LinkedIn in a very different way. You might be saying, why LinkedIn? Well, because everybody else is on Facebook, they're on Instagram. We're gonna help you get away from the noise and connect with your customers in a very different way. You might say, I don't know anything about LinkedIn. That's great, because I've spent over a decade mastering LinkedIn, and you can learn from me, a true LinkedIn master, on how to capture that undervalued attention from customers who can't wait to get in your restaurant. You're gonna learn how to create a stunning profile that captivates your audience, a business profile, and how to connect with all those customers and all those companies that you want to get in with. That way, you have a full lunch crowd, you have happy hour Monday through Thursday, probably a time that you're struggling with is going to be packed. 45 minutes to change the trajectory of your business. We're going to show you how to connect with those customers. We're going to show you how to create mouth-watering posts, how to take those posts and create a tribe of raving fans, how to run contests so that you can get more people engaged and get more people in your restaurant, bar, diner, food truck, whatever that is. LinkedIn gives you amazing analytics. We're going to show you how to interpret those analytics and also combine the new school analytics with old school tactics to bring more people into your business. I can't wait to share this journey with you. Come along with me. You will connect with customers in a way that you never thought possible. And guess what? It's not going to cost you a dime on LinkedIn to get in front of these customers. That's what's so beautiful about it. I cannot wait for you to come along with us, because if there's one thing I love, it's food. Favorite holiday? Fat Kid Christmas, also known as Thanksgiving. And if this fat kid can show you a couple things or two, maybe you'll give me a free appetizer. But if not, I know I'll have a lot of satisfaction by knowing that there's a waiting line at your restaurant. Come along with us, FoodMarketingAcademy.com.